Once upon a time, there was a man named John who had a terrible anger problem. He would get angry over the smallest things and would often lash out at his friends and family. His anger had caused him to lose several jobs and ruined many of his relationships. One day, John realized that his anger was controlling his life, and he knew he had to do something about it. He decided to seek the help of a wise old man who was known for his wisdom and guidance. The wise old man listened patiently as John explained his problem. When John finished, the wise old man handed him a bag of nails and a hammer and told him to go to the fence at the edge of town. The wise old man instructed John to hammer and nail into the fence every time he got angry. John was confused but decided to do as the wise old man instructed. Over the next few weeks, John hammered dozens of nails into the fence every time he got angry. He soon realized that he was running out of nails, and he went back to the wise old man to ask for more. The wise old man smiled and told John to remove one nail from the fence every time he was able to control his anger. John did as he was told and began to remove the nails one by one. As the days went by, John found that he was able to remove more and more nails from the fence. He was learning to control his anger and was slowly becoming a better person. Finally, the day came when John had removed all of the nails from the fence. He went back to the wise old man to tell him the good news. The wise old man smiled and said, "Well done, my friend. You have learned an important lesson. The nails represent the hurtful words and actions you have used in the past to express your anger. But by learning to control your anger, you have removed those hurtful words and actions, one by one." John realized that he had indeed learned an important lesson. He had let his anger control his life for too long, but he was now in control. He knew that he had the power to control his emotions and could choose to respond differently in the future. From that day forward, John worked hard to control his anger. He used the lesson he had learned from the wise old man to help him stay calm and avoid getting angry. Over time, he became a happier and more successful person, with healthier relationships and a better outlook on life. The lesson from this story is that we can all learn to control our anger. Like John, we can take steps to remove the negative words and actions that come from our anger, one by one. It takes time and effort, but with the right attitude and determination, we can overcome our anger issues and live happier, more successful lives. Hello there, please drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.